Okay guys, this is 1.5 liters of crude, and you can get this in multiple variations, obviously from a small batch. Our most popular is 1 liter. You notice it's a very tarry substance. I actually put it upside down and it will not drop. Very thick. Okay. This has really nice minors, including obviously CBD, CBG, CBN, little traces of THC. One silk printing and the other one is hot stamping. Silk printing is beautiful. It's etched onto the glass on tincture bottles. This is called hot stamping. Hot stamping goes right onto these bottles here. They're called square bottles, but technically it's a rectangle. But it's beautiful outlaid. Let us know if you're interested in it.
Visit us anytime or give us a call. We look forward to your business.